For the first time in history, you don't need employees, a factory, or even an office. You just need AI and a smart strategy. But while some are building million-dollar one-person businesses, others are losing their jobs to the same technology. So let's ask the real question. How does money work in the age of AI? Welcome to the WAC Room, your guide to practical money insights. The wealth shift has already begun. Every major wealth shift in history created two groups, those who adapted and those who didn't. In the industrial age, it was factory owners versus workers. In the internet age, it was coders versus consumers. And now it's AI builders versus AI users. The new rich aren't working harder, they're leveraging smarter. They use AI to scale, automate, and multiply their output faster than any human can compete. How AI is quietly printing wealth. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's replacing tasks. And the people who automate tasks replace jobs. Writers who used to spend 5 hours per blog now use ChatGPT in 30 minutes. Designers generate 10 logo options in seconds using Mid-Journey. Law firms are using Harvey AI to draft documents in minutes. That's not hype. That's a new economic equation. Data doesn't lie. The new productivity boom. According to McKinsey, AI could add $4.4 trillion annually to the global economy. That's equivalent to the entire GDP of Japan. But it's not evenly distributed. The companies and individuals who adopt AI early will grow exponentially, while those who resist will see income stagnate. It's not about who's the smartest, it's about who's the fastest to adapt. The new wealth equation. The new wealth equation is simple. Those who combine human creativity with AI leverage will multiply their income faster than ever before. Here's why. AI handles repetition. You handle direction. AI gives you speed. You give it vision. AI scales execution. You scale ideas. How normal people can stay ahead. 3 steps. 1. Learn how to prompt. 2. Leverage AI tools for your domain. 3. Build systems, not tasks. The future of money isn't about working more. It's about multiplying your effort through artificial intelligence and human. So instead of fearing AI, learn to partner with it.